I don't know what, well, I don't know what this way is. Should we go find out? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, that looks tight. Sam, this is a bad idea. Oh, fuck. Oh, lots of trees. Lots of trees. What the fuck? How do we get out of here? Suppose we're gonna go this way. Down there.
Yeah. The light at the end of the tree.
There's light at the end of the trees. Fucking stuck. Oh. John, I've got to face the right way. There we go. Oh, fuck!